Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farah Rasfia Putri, and in this video I will show you how to make your own memo pad with only 3 applications on your smartphone and printers. So let's get started. The 3 applications needed are Pinterest, Pixar, and Microsoft Word. The first step, open the Pinterest application, then after opening it, go to search for idea section and type in the keywords that you will use as the memo pad background. Here I'm using aesthetic sky background for the memo pad. The way to save the photo is by clicking on the 3 points and then pressing download image. You can also search with the keyword texture to get a memo pad background that has a vintage look. Or if you want a memo pad that is ready to use without having to edit it again, you can use the memo pad keyword. Use the same method to save the photo. There are lots of memo pad design that you can use, but keep in mind, for a design like this, it should not be used in commercial terms because there is a copyright of the creator. Then, the next step is to open the Pixar application. In this application, you can edit the memo pad with the design you like. Click the plus sign, then select which photo you want to edit. When finished selecting photo, click Tools, then select Crop and crop the photo to a square shape. Then click the sticker. For this first look, I want to make Instagram style, so I use the Instagram keyword. You can choose a sticker according to your heart. When it's finished, you can add text. Here I add Orangiara text, which is my Instagram username. You can choose the font and the color that you like. When finished, don't forget to save the image. Do the same with the other memo pad that you will edit as in the previous steps. The second one, I use Spotify look. After finishing, adding the Spotify sticker, You can add text or not. Here I choose to write the title again by handwriting, so I will save the photo like this. The next step is to open the last application needed, namely Microsoft Word. Here you click the plus sign and select a blank document. After that, you change the paper size to A4 and click Insert, then click Pictures, then Photos. Then click your memo pad Edit. After that, you change the size of the memo pad to 3.15 inches, which is 8 centimeters, the size of the memo pad as usual. Then after that, you can copy and paste the photo and set the position as neatly as possible. You can do this method on the photo memo pad that you save from Pinterest as much as you want or as many as you need. This step really take a long time. Maybe it's because I use a phone while doing it. Maybe if you use your laptop or your computer, this step can be done faster. You can do this step with all the memo pad that you have saved from Pinterest. When finished, save the memo pad collection file. The file is ready. The last step is to print this document. So, that's a tutorial to make your own memo pad for your journaling activity. So, from now on, instead of spending money to buy an quite expensive memo pad, you can make it by your own. So, I hope the tutorial can help you a lot. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.